and welcome to Titan TV. My name is Christine Manfredi.
Today is Friday, October 2nd, and I am Paige Russell.
Follow our Instagrams.
And now for today's announcements. Congratulations, Lady Titan swimmers, for your win over NSB. Coming in first place, girls medley relay featuring Alexis Lemus, Leah Ferry, Ashley Franco, and Julia Amizato. Alexis Lemus also took first place in the 200 freestyle and the backstroke. Julia Amizato took first place in the 50 freestyle and the 500 freestyle. Ashley Franco was first in the butterfly and the girls 400 relay, including Julia Amizato, Alexis Lemus, Olivia Kammer, and Ashley Franco took first place with a win as well.
Any girls interested in playing soccer this year, tryouts will be held on October 19th at 4:15. Tryouts will be held at Bennett Park on Veterans Memorial Parkway. In order to try out, you must have all paperwork completed and turned into the athletics office. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Hahn in the athletics office or Coach Eads in room 4109.
Titans, Homecoming 2020 is next week. Homecoming will look a little bit different this year because of COVID, but don't let that ruin your fun. This year's theme is Titans Ever After.
Royalty campaign voting is today during both lunches. In-person students will vote at the SGA headquarters window located near the cafeteria. You must have your ID to vote. Underclassmen winners will be announced at the Powder Puff football game on October 8th.
SGA will host a door decoration contest. The door or office space should follow the homecoming theme, which is Titans Ever After, a fairy tale theme. SGA students will judge the doors and spaces on Thursday, October 8th. The winner will be announced at the Powder Puff football game. If you are interested in participating, please email Ms. McCann by Wednesday, October 7th, so we will know to come by. Titans, Homecoming week is next week, which is October 5th through the 9th. Get excited. Monday is Disney Characters Day. Tuesday is Woody vs. Buzz, Cowboys vs. Aliens. Wednesday is A Wrinkle in Time, Decade Day. Thursday is Heroes vs. Villains, Class Color Day. Seniors will wear black, juniors will wear purple, sophomores will wear pink, and freshmen will wear green. Friday is Ultimate Titan Day, where you're orange, gray, and white. Have fun, Titans!
High school seniors are invited to join the deans and directors of admissions of the 12 state universities of Florida for a town hall meeting about college admissions in the state of Florida. Each of the 12 universities has unique opportunities that will be discussed. This will take place on October 15th at 7 p.m. To register, see the link in the video description.
Christina, we are tracking the tropics this morning. Happy Friday to you. But take a look, lots of systems to monitor. Well, two, I should say. First, in the western Caribbean seaboard, moving off towards the Yucatan Peninsula, has a pretty good shot at development in the next 5 days, so we'll keep a close eye on that one. And then another system more towards the east in central Atlantic that also has about a 30% chance of development in the next 5 days. So let's take a look at that satellite imagery for that first system, and we do think that this is getting better organized, starting to develop a close center of circulation. You can see that cyclogenesis starting to occur. We're getting a little bit of rotation and some increased shower and thunderstorm activity, especially in that right upper hand quadrant. So this one is the one that we'll monitor, and then of course we'll keep an eye on this one as we get deeper into the week. Here's the spaghetti plottle, and you can see these are all the different computer model tracks that we typically would associate it with this system. So most of them have this system moving into the Bay of Campeche and then eventually fizzling out as a remnant low, but then could potentially redevelop as another piece of energy tracks off to the north and the east that brings heavy rainfall this weekend. So I'm going to have more on that in just a couple of minutes, but for now, let's take a look at the typical October tracks for this time of year. If we were to see tropical development, we would see development in the Caribbean Sea, eventually tracking off towards the north and the east towards central Florida and southern Florida. So that's why I'm particularly concerned about that second wave moving now into the Caribbean as it does develop. But first, locally here, temperatures right now running in the mid to upper 60s across the interior, but back towards the north and west, especially in rural parts of Marion County, we've dropped into the upper 50s. So it does still feel like crisp fall-like weather, but that's thanks to this cold front that has arrived overnight. This is a second boundary that has arrived in addition to the first one that previously arrived last week, and that is reinforcing the cooler air that is already in place. So for today, the daytime high struggling to make it up to 85 degrees, only 83, mixed sun and clouds. And then tomorrow we start to build back in the rain chances significantly with increasing clouds, heavy rain at times, and that's thanks to that low pressure system near the Yucatan. Notice that stationary boundary pulling the tropical moisture northward and just bringing rounds of heavy heavy rain. That's going to be a concern, especially on Sunday, where we have the potential for flooding rains, hours of soaking rain. Of course, I'll keep you updated if you're on my weather remind, but tomorrow you're going to want to head out to the links and get that golf round in, especially in the morning when temperatures are comfortable in the mid-60s and the rain hasn't arrived yet, because by the afternoon, showers, rumbles of thunder at times, and the high temperature of 83. So make sure you get that golf round in the morning. For your Titan 7-day forecast, high temperatures remaining in the mid to low 80s once we get that heavier rain on Sunday. 80% coverage of showers and storms. Some could be heavy, some could be torrential, and definitely flooding in urban communities. Poor drainage in low-lying areas is going to be a concern. Monday and Tuesday, we dry things out just a tad with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday and Thursday, warming up to the upper 80s. Back to you guys.
That's all the news we have for you today.
Thanks for watching.
And remember, it's all about the you.